Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. My name is Sayyid Saif Ali. My father name is Namdi Aurangzeb. But first I would like to say thanks to my teachers because who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of all of you. So let's start. Dear audience, honorable principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is importance of namaz. Dear friends, despite prayer being so important, it is a sad fact that many Muslims do not pray or fulfill the conditions of the prayer. Its purpose is to ourselves in touch with God, to strengthen our relationship with Him, to be grateful for all His blessings and to remind ourselves of His greatness. To be grateful for all His blessings and to remind ourselves of His greatness. Just as the body requires physical needs such as water, the soul has spiritual needs. The needs of the soul are provided by acts of worship. The needs of the soul are provided by acts of worship. The most important of which is prayer. It could be dead body if a person is healthy but the person is spiritually dead. The closest is to then Lord is when He is in protection.
इसी तरह की और वीडियोस पाने के लिए एजाज हाशमी नदवी को सब्सक्राइब करें।